Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I made this antiviral tea that I had to make for myself basically for the last few days because I've been feeling really sick. And we're going to get into that tea as well. Get it? TNT. So in my bowl I have an apple, orange, lemon, ginger, and we're going to clean all this up and peel everything up while I give y'all the tea. So, I'm always chit-chatting with you guys on my community tab, and I told y'all that I went on a mini vacation with my husband, and everything was all good. I came back, everything's great. It's now like the 2nd, I believe, of this month, and I was like, hold on now, hold on. My throat is a little scratchy. What's going on? But I ignored it, kept going. Now it's like a day later. I'm like, oh, Lord, I'm congested. Then, y'all, I couldn't breathe out my nose. My throat was scratchy. I had a slight fever. And I was like, oh, my goodness. Amarion done got me. And I was so scared, you guys. Oh, my goodness. I booked that doctor so fast because I'm like, I'm not even going to play around and wait for nothing else, dramatic to happen. So let me get to the doctor and get the going. Sidebar, don't try this at home. Y'all know I'm always turning on that dishwasher before I start recording a video, and I always forget that I need like my tools because they're the main things that I use a lot. They're always in the washer, and I need to get these videos done. So I'm peeling everything up with my knife. I've been doing it for years, many years. So use your peeler or whatever gadget you have. Don't try this at home if you're not a professional. So back to the story. So I get to the doctor, he does all tests, a full-on checkup, and you already know the name of the test. I don't want to say it on here. And it all came back negative. It all came back negative. And then he just let me know that, you have a slight case of just the flu, and you just need to, relax, drink some tea. He gave me something to take, but you already know I'm not into taking all these pills, honey. So I decided to start drinking this tea. I made this tea right here for the last like 3 or 4 days, and I've been feeling a lot better. I've also been walking around the house, doing, walking on my treadmill and just, relaxing, taking hot baths, and it helped me out a whole lot. I felt better in like 48 hours. So I decided to share this tea with you guys, and that's pretty much how I'm here now. But yeah, that was my quick little story. It was such a scare because, the climate that we're living in right now, you just never know, And for me, someone that's already having, underlying issues, I just couldn't chance it. So now let me give you the story behind this kettle. A few weeks ago, before we went on vacation, I realized that the room that we had booked didn't have a microwave. So I was like, oh my goodness, because I drink tea almost every night. Even before I had got sick, I drink tea every day. And so I was like, man, I'm going to need my tea. How I'm going to make it? So my husband went ahead and ordered me a kettle. The kettle came. I'm like, what is this? I ignored it. We got to the hotel and I pulled it out. I was like, oh my goodness, this is the coolest kettle I've ever seen in my life. And I can't wait for y'all to really see like the gist of it. Now, onto this tea bag. Now, you want to get peppermint tea that's good quality. Even if you can't find these 2 brands, make sure you read the ingredients, and it should all only say pure peppermint or peppermint, and you'll be good to go. And but these 2 are my favorite. If I don't have these 2, I guess I won't be having tea, but these 2 tea bags are my favorite. All right, so to finish this up, I add like a tablespoon of honey to the glass. I never added to the whole thing of tea, just in case, I want to make some more later. I just don't want it sitting in there. I use organic honey. I got that from the Aldi supermarket. This is a peppermint tea, the one that was in the red box. It comes just like this, and then you just easily break it apart because they come like twins. And then I'll put it down in here. And so now my tea is about to come to a boil, and you can also use this at night because it lights up. I'm telling y'all, if this thing breaks, I'm going back to get another one. Literally, I'm going back to get another kettle. That's how much I love it. And now I'm just going to pour out. I did let it sit. After I shut it off, I let it sit for 5 minutes just to continue seeping a little bit. And then now I'm just going to pour it over my tea bag and my honey and mix it up. And that's it. All All right, so this is pretty much it. And this lasted me maybe a day, this batch, because like I said, I was feeling really sick. I didn't eat anything. I just kept drinking this tea and drinking room temperature water. As in, like when you buy your water and you have it sitting on the on the ground or on the table, wherever you put your water at. I didn't drink anything cold, just room temp water and this hot tea all day long. And I was feeling much, much better in like 48 hours. And, just keep yourself nice and warm, take hot baths, and you'll be good to go. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you make this tea, let me know what you think. If it helped you, also let me know about that down below in the comments. Love you guys. Bye.